Next on the list is Coin, August 6, 2025. 6, 2025. Try to get out of that setting. Coin, August 6, 2025. Oh shit, I'm bugging. Let's go here. Coin. August 6, 2025. Let's go to 5. So we on Coin right now. Wrong year. August 6, 2025. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, no gap. 4-hour time frame. Let's see. There's no levels. This might have been, was this earnings? I don't know. There's actually no levels. Let's see. Let's do this support. Let's see. Now let's go on the 1 minute time frame. See what's going on. And we're respecting this low right here. Let's go to 932. Boom. We break it slightly. And let's see what happens at 35. See, we're struggling to break and hold above this high right here. Let's see what happens by 9:40. Let's see. Boom. Break this low. We make a $1.70 move. Bounce off of this support. Let's see what happens throughout the day. See what happens. Boom, struggle. Come back down. Definitely respecting this low a lot. Let's see. Yeah, so definitely playable. Definitely would have probably stopped out the runners, but this level was definitely respected heavily. Let me clear this out. Next date is August 1st. Let's see what happens. August 1st, 2025. Let me change the time first on Coin. Then go to the daily. August 1st. No gaps. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. After earnings. Okay. This was an after earnings play. Let's see what happens. See, we have 1, 2. See. 3. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame because it seems like the 4 hour doesn't have much to offer. Let's see. This support here, that's $2. This is the 1 hour. These are 4 hour. Let me fix these before. Boom, boom, boom. Cooking on the 1 hour. I have a support here. See, let's go back a little further before I touch this area. So at this support here, 323. Nice psychological level. And I'll add this 325.50. I'm gonna remove this. It's after earnings play, so that means this probably sold off. It's probably sold off. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Let's go to 32. Boom. There we go. Bearish reversal. Double top. Can't hold. Entry would have been right here. Let's go. Literally flush straight through. Entry here. Scale out some here. Gave no signs of it reversing. Rejecting, rejecting, rejecting. See? Rejected this support. Turned into resistance. Came straight down. And obviously, if you see a double top on the 1 minute time frame, that means we have a bearish reversal on the 5 minute time frame. See, boom, they go to sell off.